What's going on, guys? Fuller here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, bringing you another one of those 5 things videos. And I'm kind of wearing this hoodie that you guys aren't supposed to know about yet, so don't tell anyone. I'm cold though, so I'm not gonna take it off. This is gonna be the 5 things you didn't know about McGaughys Lift Kits. So the first thing you might not know about McGaughys Lift Kits is we actually sell them, which is sort of a big deal. McGaughys prides themselves on being exclusive, and they don't really sell with many online retailers, so it's a pretty big deal that we're able to offer them on the Custom Offsets website. So the second thing you might not know about McGaughys Lift Kits is they're actually based right here in the United States. So it's a family-owned and operated business with a 50,000 square foot shop in Fresno, California, and that's where they're able to create, design, and manufacture most major components for their lift kits right here in the United States. Number 3, so when McGaughys was first getting started back in 1984, they actually began developing lowering kits for trucks, and now you can get anything from a 6-inch drop all the way up to a 7-inch lift for the most popular trucks on the market from Ford, Chevy, and Dodge. So if you've ever been to SEMA or you've seen pictures at SEMA, then you've probably also seen a McGaughys lift kit, and that's because they make one of the most easily identifiable cross members on the market. Not only do they build their kits to function well, but they have huge attention to detail, and they also make kits that just look sexy. So for the last one, this is kind of a really important spot, so you're gonna wanna stick around for the whole thing. So people know McGaughys offer a 7 to 9 kit, but it's kind of hard to find it on their website, and you might not see it on ours, but that's because it depends on the kit. So you have to look at the part numbers in them to see if they have the adjustable front struts, that 7 to 9 adjustment that you're looking for. Now, if you just buy a regular kit, the 7-inch basic kit, you're not going to have those. The 7-inch premium kit, almost all of them do include the available 7 to 9-inch strut option. However, if yours doesn't and you still want that, you can buy just the 7 to 9 adjustable front struts for about 220 bucks and pick those up, and then you're ready to go with 9 inches of lift rather than 7. So that's all I got for this one. I've got a dinner to get to. If you guys have any questions on McGaughys lift kits, or you're looking for any other lift kit brand, stop on up to the website, customoffsets.com/lifts.